everyone, welcome back again to my channel today guys, and I will show you a simple flower arrangement. This is gonna be good exactly for a Valentine, and I will show you how to do it, and hope you guys stay with us and please keep watching until the end of my video, and I will show you how to do it. done with the flowers. So, but right now I'm gonna do the wording. I'm gonna put wording like Happy Valentine's on it. So it'll look cute to look, and there you go. So I'm gonna cut this one into two, and probably I will put this to card stack. Try to figure out how to put this one so look cute together. Not really good. I'll do it again. I'll put probably in the middle. So and this one I'm gonna put it at the bottom. No, not look good. And there you go. I don't think so. I remove it again. I want to be closer together so look cute. And I will cut this card stack. And there you go. Probably I'm gonna put this also this draw stick. This one, so and try to put this also the heart shape. And put this here. This one's much better. Make it easy for me to do it. I'll stick it, touch it, and use it. There you go. So I'm done with my flower simple arrangement. So hope you guys give me a thumbs up, and hope you guys like it. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and please share also, and please don't forget also to ring the notification bell, so just keep you guys updated every time I post my new video. And hope you guys see you next time, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys. Thank you everyone. So how does it look? Is it cute?